All right, we live. Let's get this party started. Big A's in the house. Big A's in the house. What's cracking, dude? What you up to? We're about to watch the unfortunate destruction of my drone. Drone destruction. We're gonna underneath me. We're gonna have playing all my clips prior to the destruction. I'm gonna try to time it where we're also gonna watch on here. So let's just get this going. We're gonna watch on here. Hope you can see on the phone. And these are not gonna be in slow mo, y'all. I'm probably going to repurpose them and use the slow-mo and stuff and try to have a cool, because I think it's cool when there's a top picture and a bottom picture. Adds a little bit of dynamic to it. But yeah, here's the drone footage for you, A. Trying to get the little G in here. Oh, nice. Do it. Do it. Do it. Yeah, we got Alex in the chat. We're popping off. Another day in paradise, another day in paradise. Back from Tahoe. A little bit of a bet. My back's kind of tweaked a little bit. I don't know what really happened. Just too much shredding and, just kind of little, oh god, my mid back. So, trying to take it easy. Got knee braces on. I'm brace boy. I'm brace boy. So, we're just watching the footage here. It's beautiful, beautiful Lake Tahoe footage below me. Beautiful Lake Tahoe footage. I'm going to keep it unedited. I know it's not going to be the prettiest because there'll be some kind of scattery, might take these off for reflection issues. It's kind of funny. Just reflecting in my glasses a bunch. Is it? It's kind of cool. It's like little lights or something. Big G, got Gilpy, we got the Icelandic duo in the house. Icelandic duo in the house. What's cracking? What's cracking? I didn't really check my audio levels. They seem okay. I'm going to talk a little quieter. So yeah, we're watching this beautiful drone footage, y'all. Can you see it? It's absolutely beautiful. And again, I'm going to keep this raw, the footage below me raw. We're building up. We're building up the suspense because soon you're going to see this drone die. It's going to have its last hurrah, and then it's gone. Gilpy waved. I waved to Gilpy. Cool. Gilpy, what's cracking, man? How you doing? It's funny. It says only one person's live with me. When I click on it, oh, we got a business girl out there. Oh, Gilpy's gone. Gilpy's like, this is boring. Well, Gilpy's busy. Gilpy's busy. Oh yeah, we got a girl. She got a new job. She is dressed up. Yep. Have fun at your bank job. No, appreciate your hard work. Thank you very much. Alright, that's clip 1. Check out clip 2. This is a nice clip, y'all. Look at this clip. This is a great clip. So, again, I'm going to have the clip below me playing. Hopefully this works out well. I'm going to try not to go too crazy because everyone wants to see the drone crash. That's the main attraction here, right? Everyone wants to see the drone, just go down. That's our nature. We just love seeing that happen. Who knows why? Who knows why? Turn the volume down a little bit. Hopefully it's a little better now. Yeah, I think that's good. Not really peaking as much. I'm looking handsome today, y'all. I'm looking good. I'm looking good. Focus is working great. Yeah, we can continue watching this beautiful drone footage. What are you up to, Gilpy? We need drone to Iceland. Yeah, can you guys see it on the iPhone? We have the iPhone filming below. iPhone filming next to me. Live on the old IG. And below me we have this. Look at this cool shot. Boom, boom. This might be a little tricky to get it perfect, but I'm going to just do my best here. Okay, and so I was flying this drone. It was snowing and it was windy. Snowing and windy. This is my, I don't know, 4th time, 6th, something like that, flying it. Got a brand new memory card, so I'm amped. Also, I got Pops with me. I got Big Bill, shout out, with me, so I'm showing off. I mean, look at this angle. I'm trying to be cool. I'm showing off. I'm like, oh yeah, like this drone's amazing. This is a great shot. This one's really cool. Hopefully this times up. Yeah, I'm gonna have the phone next to me so I can time this up good. But this is a cool shot coming up. A little flying into Lake Tahoe. Not literally in, but maybe that is what happens. Maybe I just fly into the lake and it gets destroyed. I'm not gonna reveal the secret until we watch it. Oh, this is beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, look at that. It's a beautiful. You guys can see it right on the iPhone. Gilby said, Trap 4 keeping it real. We need drone to Iceland. Did I already say that? I can't remember. Yeah, I'll fly the drone to Iceland. I mean, I think it only goes a couple mile or a mile, or supposedly Luff. Shout out Luff. Luff was saying 7 miles. I don't know though. I don't know if that's actual or not. That's crazy if it is. What I did learn, I learned a couple lessons in the drone destruction. I was getting cocky with letting the drone out of my sight. All right, next clip. And I was getting cocky. Look at it. It's just snowing its ass off. It is snowing its ass off. This is awesome. This is a sweet shot. And I was getting cockier and cockier. And the drone's kind of out of sight. If you can kind of see, I'm on this dock walking below, very small. But I'm on the dock with Pops walking below. And I know where the drone is because I can kind of see the surroundings. But again, I've been to this spot in Lake Tahoe a couple times, so I kind of know the area. But when you're way up and it's snowing its ass off and the drone's far away and there's trees and etc., you don't know what's going on. You don't know what's going on. And that was the mistake. I got too ballsy and I thought I was a pro droner. When it's just not, no. I still have more time to practice. And another lovely shot. Yeah, guys, I'm feeling good. You know, back's a little sore. Feels better today. Might hit the surf. Might take another day of rest. Shout out Erica. Erica's hopefully gonna come swing by, say hey, hang out. Got a little bit of apartment things where I might have to move a bunch of cars. I'm trying to not do this because it is gonna fuck up everything. There's another beautiful shot. But yeah, they're trying to do a bunch of stuff to our apartment. It's the middle of the vid. It's like, come on. Got another lovely shot. I guess I should be looking down like this. And this is a lovely shot. Look at that. I mean, this thing is high. It was windy and snowy. All right, but I know everyone wants to see the fatal destruction. We're almost there, guys. We're 2 minutes out. We're 2 to 3 minutes out of the fatal drone destruction. And I'll probably try to keep this one under 15 or just keep it a little shorter. But we're close. So another lovely shot here. Oh, something happened. Whoa, what happened there? I don't even know what happened there. That was crazy. This is the Mavic Air 2. And I'm not going to say anymore because I just really want to get to this ending shot. But let this last shot play. Look at this. Look at this. You can see the whole lake. Not the whole lake, but you can see a good chunk of the lake. You're high up. It's snowing its ass off. I mean, that's beautiful. That is absolutely a beautiful shot. And I'm stoked. This is all shot in 4K, 60 frames per second. And I think it's 120 Mbit, which is pretty good. No ND filter. You can put little ND filters on it, which is pretty sweet. It comes with this little ND set, 3 NDs, which I've been meaning to try. But I figure you're bumping the f-stop up so much anyway because it's a wide-angle lens that depth of field isn't something that you're really going for. You're going for just in focus wide, and a lot of times, this is a sweet shot. We're hanging out. I need to know how to. It'll be easy. I'm just gonna look at the phone when the phone starts. Start this. Hopefully that'll time it up okay. Grab a little more coffee, y'all, while you enjoy this. Look, there's my dad. There's me and my dad. One more cup of Joe. 1 minute till destruction, y'all. 1 minute till destruction. Oh, and there's iPhone footage of the picking up destruction. Maybe I'll just put that. I don't know how long this is gonna be. Or this should even be like a trav vlog. But I'm already in too deep. It's already a hero's journey. Carter, what's up? Carter, you're about to watch the drone die. The drone destruction. We got Carter in the chat. Carter, the waves are going off here, Carter. I might take another day of break. It's a little hot. I gotta open this window. It's getting toasty. It's getting toasty. So we are, here we go, that's a nice shot. We are getting close, y'all. Oh boy, we are getting close. We are getting close to the drone destruction. And it was funny because, as you'll see, I'm going to do a play-by-play. Alright, so look at lovely last shot. Alright, so we had the last shot. Now, I flew over to the right a good amount. So as we can see, we are like back to the north a little bit. I'm facing like the land, and I'm doing a parallel kind of like dolly to the right with the drone. Pretty close to the shore. At this point, I'm cocky AF. I'm like, I'm a pro. So we're going. All right, we're cruising. I'm just like, oh, this is a sweet shot. I'm getting like all this. I'm getting this the city. I'm going. It's great. Oh, this is great. Oh my God, what is this? And then here. Oh my God. All right, I think I'm safe. I think I'm good. Come on, we got this. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh no. Oh. Let's watch it again. Just cruising. Not a care in the world. Love my new drone. It's my new best friend. Getting all these great shots. Cruising. I'm like, oh man, this is great. Well, I'm pretty close to these trees. Keep cruising. Oh, crap. And then right here. I was like, all right, there's hope. I thought I was going to make it out. Right here. I probably should have screen recorded this. You darn tootin'. Thought I was going to make it out here, y'all. Just realizing how much of a pain it's going to be to edit now. Whatever. Thought I was going to make it out. Look at this. We're like, I'm in the tree, you know. I go into the tree, and then I'm like, the drone still kind of like has it. Like it corrected itself really well when I hit the tree. Bam, and then it kind of like, it's still good right now. It's still good. And then it's like, oh, I remember this part. I'm like, oh, I got this. I tried to fly it out, and that's it. And I'm going to show a little footage right after this, because I can't remember. It might be underneath, it might be right after, because there's dialogue of us finding the drone. We named him Kevin Samuels. So, how's he looking?
He doesn't look good at all, Trav. He's really beat up. I think he got run over.
No, he didn't. Oh God, wow. Oh boy.
Did he get run over?
No, I think that's just from the...
Those are tire tracks, aren't they?
Oh man, has someone run him over? Damn.
Those are tire tracks.
Wow, Kevin Samuels. We barely knew thee. He took a mean fall. I was going risky. I was getting after it.
Oh, you think he fell from the tree?
What's the play by? Yeah, that's what I think.
You don't think he might have flown once he got through the trees? Stayed flying?
We can watch the footage again, but it looked like to me that he got stuck.
He kind of got tumbled
in a thing, and then he kind of like, maybe like, we'll watch the footage and see, yeah. Wow.
All right, I'll get another one. Boom.
There we go. Third flight. But at least we got that footy, and let's see if the SD card is... Looks like it could be good. Kevin Samuels. Good job, buddy.
Let's go up here.
You hung in there. I'm proud of you. Yeah, so that's it, guys. That's drone destruction. Maybe I'll play it again underneath me, but in slow-mo or something. But yeah, guys, it fell to the ground. Maybe I'll have the B-roll underneath me. I'll see what happens, but that was it. It was, it's destroyed. It is, I did this in another video, but this thing is, yeah, so luckily, you know, I do have insurance. The next thing is figuring out how to use the insurance, and hopefully they cover when this kind of shit happens. Because sometimes, you know, they try to get sneaky. Oh, you bought coverage for your drone. Oh, we don't cover when it crashes. Like when Apple used to not cover, like I always say, the Sony loves focusing on me and never wants to focus on objects. When Apple had like the water, when you used to get water on your laptop, like, oh, we don't cover that with AppleCare. You're like, all right, come on, dude. That's usually what's gonna happen. But now they do cover it. So I think warranty things are getting a little better because they're kind of forced to. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up there. Appreciate everyone stopping by. Another hero's journey, drone destruction. I'll keep everyone updated when I get the new drone. I still need to file the paperwork. Hope everyone's good. Peace.